question. How much worries do you have now? One, not too bad. Two, lots of little things but nothing too serious. Yung, hala, matapos sana ito para mag-SM ako mamaya. And then number three, my worries are bothering me and it happens a lot. Which is you, 1, 2, or 3. Encode. Na-encode natin, sagot natin ng 1 and 2. Okay, now, we go to question number 3. How is your mood generally? I am moody sometimes, but generally okay? Or baka naman number 2, I often feel sad, or angry, or irritable, or numb? Or baka naman number 3, almost all days I feel sad, or angry, or irritable, or numb? Which are you? Okay na? Encode? Question number 4. How strong is your social network now? Number 1, do you have good friends and family and you stay connected? Or are you number 2, just fine, I connect with others, but I have few friends? And then number 3, it's really not great, I feel lonely and wish to have more friends. Which are you? 1, 2, or 3? And go. Next. Are we still okay? Okay. The next question is, are you still doing things you enjoy? Like eating Jolly hotdog? Number 1, yes. I make sure I make time to do activities that I enjoy. Or are you number 2, sometimes, but I do not enjoy my activities as much as I used to? Or are you number 3, not really, and I am avoiding activities that I enjoy?